Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photopad tutorial how to flip an image. As example, I will insert image. I will use this image, click add overlays, and you can resize the image. Now, if you want to flip this image, you can go to drag bar, and in here we have two options, flip horizontal and flip vertical. I will click flip horizontal, the image will be flipped into horizontal, and you can click again flip vertical to flip into vertical. So we have these two options to flip image, vertical, and then flip horizontal. Okay, that's it for basic Photopad tutorial, how to flip an image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.